Phrasal verbs are very common in English. Today we learn cheer up. This means to become happier. It is used when someone feels sad and then feels better. Cheer up is pronounced cheer/up. Cheer rhymes with deer, up rhymes with cup. Say it with me, cheer up, cheer up. Cheer up has two main uses. First, you can cheer up yourself when you feel sad. Second, you can cheer up someone else to make them happy. Both mean to become happier. Listen to these examples. Going to the movies cheers me up. This means movies make me happy. I want to cheer Ali up. This means I want to make Ali happy. More examples. This music always cheers me up. Music makes the person happy. Cheer up exclamation. It is not the end of the world. This comforts someone who feels bad. Words similar to cheer up include perk up, brighten up, and buck up. Also look up, lighten up, and hearts. They all mean to feel happier or make someone happier. Cheer up grammar is simple. Cheer up alone means you become happy. Cheer object up means you make someone happy. Cheering object up is the gerund form. Practice cheer up in real life. When someone looks sad, say, "Hey, cheer up!" exclamation. Want to grab ice cream? Question mark. This is natural English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.